Welcome back. Welcome back to Saturday Daybreak. Welcome back to Julianne Bitely, who had a baby and is already back.
Well, that's okay. She's in the car right now with mother-in-law. She's happy.
Okay,
we're good.
She's not alone. The windows are not rolled up. It's fine. I got a little worried there for a minute.
Before we go anywhere, you have to try this.
Okay, I'm being force-fed chocolate.
Yes, that's such a horrible thing to be force-fed.
Well, that's horrible. I'm kidding. This is so creamy and rich and chocolatey. And dark. I love this.
Less than 5 ingredients, super easy and super healthy for you. And it has a secret ingredient.
How can that be healthy for me?
Because it has healthy fats. Okay, so here's the surprise. Do you want to do the drum roll? This is our base ingredient. Da-da-da! Avocados. So
in this chocolate.
In that chocolate.
Get me there.
This is easy. Okay, so 2 avocados. We're going to spoon these out. You can see what we've got, the finished product here. 2 avocados and 3 tablespoons of honey.
Okay, so natural honey.
Natural honey.
That's your sweetener.
That's my sweetener. You can use maple syrup or agave nectar. Either works. This is going to take forever because it's like molasses.
Honey.
Yes, it's honey. We've got a tablespoon of vanilla that we're going to add in. And then so I recently have discovered that it's very difficult to find good quality ingredients living in the country. So I have this great website where you can buy the secret ingredient that's going to be your libido booster for Valentine's Day.
Oh.
This is maca. It is from a root vegetable. It's a superfood. It tastes like malt. Has tons of really good things in it for you, as most superfoods do. But the most important thing is that, you know, it'll help you get in the mood for Valentine's Day.
Okay, how do you spell maca?
M-A-C-A.
M-A-C-A. Promotes stress reduction, healthy energy, and increased libido.
Yes.
Who doesn't need that?
I was so excited when I got the green light to be able to say that word on
libido?
Yes.
We could say that.
Okay. So we're going to add that in to taste. I normally do a tablespoon, but I like the flavor. So just start out slowly. You're going to notice a difference one way or the other. So we're going to finish off here with these avocados. I want to talk about...
I wouldn't have in a million years thought avocado was in this.
And it's so easy. That's what I love about it is there's no cooking.
But it's dessert. It's sweet. It's not what I would think of as a healthy anything.
And it doubles as icing. If you need it to ice something.
Cupcake.
Yeah.
Which is not good for you.
Well, you can make healthier
Sure,
versions.
It could be a carrot cake or a...
Oh, come on now.
Come on.
You can't have carrot cake without cream cheese, and I don't know that that's that healthy, so...
So the recipe and everything is available?
It's available through Channel 7 and also the website for these hard-to-find ingredients. Oh, I totally left out the chocolate part. I'm smoking crack here. Okay, we got half a cup of cacao. You know I love cacao. If you can't get cacao, Hershey's does just fine. It just doesn't have as many health benefits because it's been cooked. So we, avocados. You know how to pick out a good one?
Do I know? No.
Okay.
I'm not allowed to go to the grocery store.
Okay,
oh, well,
so
this one's really squishy.
Really squishy is probably not good.
I would not pick that one. This one is harder, but it's not so hard. It's got some give.
Yes, and here's the thing you're going to do when you're in Kroger, when no one's looking. This little stem part right here, if you pick that off and it's still green, then it's good.
Okay, well, what if somebody who saw this got to that avocado before me?
Well,
if I just see that it's green,
you move on.
Okay.
Unless you want to take the risk.
I gotcha. So if I pick this off and it's green, oh, it's like a okay, I got you.
Yeah, it's green, so it's good.
It's still good.
That's a good one. And
so
it'll
not
look like
too
this.
squishy, not too hard.
Correct.
Got it.
And that color, if possible. And what you'll do to get that creamy texture is avocado. You know, guacamole can be very creamy anyway, but you'll use a blender. I use an immersion blender, but you can use a Vitamix. You can use
We got to take a minute. We got to take a minute, let all this blend, go to a commercial, and then we'll be right back with our finished product.
Oh, yeah.
How's that? Stay with us for Saturday Daybreak.
That's amazing, Renee.
In a million years, would you have
I
thought
would
that
never have thought
avocado
this
in
was
it?
You would
avocado.
never guess.
Never.
Right?
No, it's so good.
And it's dark chocolate. I mean, it's yeah,
Even
amazing.
you could make this for your wife for Valentine's Day, and she would think that you were amazing.
I mean, and what is it?
Because
Avocados are loaded with
she
protein.
already
Is that
does.
right?
And good fats.
Good
right?
fats.
Yes.
Oh, and it's gluten-free.
Yeah.
The macaw.
Tastes like
All
avocado at all.
right. Well, thank you for joining us for this Saturday edition of
That is so
Daybreak,
good.
everyone. We hope to see you again next time.
See ya.